welcome back to another vlog. I'm Danielle. Something is different. Yes, that is true. I cut all my hair off. I didn't cut my hair off. My lovely stylist Kristen did. And I'm having a lot of fun with it. I really love it. And if you had watched the previous vlog, you knew that I was just really tired of my long hair. Most of my life I've had long hair. I've never had hair this short, and probably for upwards of 2 decades I've wanted like a shaggy pixie cut, and I finally just did it. There's something very freeing about no longer caring about outside opinions and comments. I've often heard that women can't have short hair and still be feminine, or men only find women attractive when they have long hair, and to all of that I say, it's not your hair. Do what you want to do. It's extremely freeing, and you deserve to rock the haircut that you want. I came home from the salon, and when I came home, it hit me in a very emotional way, and I was like, God, this just feels like I cut not only like 15 inches of hair, but it feels like I just cut out so much bullshit that I just didn't care about, and there's something really great about that. So that's the best gift that I've given myself over the years, and it's taken a lot of work, but I'm making progress slowly but surely, and doing things for yourself and doing the things that you want to do, it's just better that way. Honestly, it is, I promise. The length of your hair does not define you. Immediately when I cut it, someone on Instagram was like, what products are you using? And I was like, I just did this. I haven't even washed it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm using a lot of the old products I had. Not that I was ever using them in my hair really, because it was just always in a top knot, and that's A, it doesn't look good on me all the time, and B, it's not very good for your hair. Like, why not just give it a break and start over? So I'm following a lot of different YouTubers, and actually the gal whose inspiration photos I use, her name is, I think it's Dominique, and her last name starts with an S. She's also a newscaster, and she's drop dead gorgeous, but she does have a beauty and wellness YouTube channel, and she has hair, or has had hair over the years, that's like almost identical to this. So I use her photos as a lot of my inspiration pics, and I'm also trying to take into consideration her product recommendations. She really swears by the Got to Be mousse, but I have not found that in store yet, and I still have a pretty full can of the Aquage uplifting foam. I've used this for years. This is probably my second bottle, but it's really nice because it has a really precise nozzle here, so you want to concentrate this like right along the scalp and the roots. And so what I do is I just kind of section it off. I have a mirror over here I'm gonna look in, and you just do that. You just like draw it in, and you are gonna want to blow dry your hair after you've worked this through. Like, this isn't a good product for like letting it air dry. So I don't get really precise about it. And then I do take like this little section of the crown because I want some lift there, and I hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Ooh, this is a look. Okay, so that's step one. Then rub it in like you mean it. Like, really get it in to the roots. It's easy for me now because my hair doesn't really get tangly. Now I'm gonna take my Eva NYC, I feel like I have hair on my mouth, what's new? Made Magic 10-in-1 primer. I'm almost finished with this. I love this stuff. I would absolutely repurchase, and like it says, it does 10 things. It's like detangling and heat protecting, and there's vitamins, and adds shine, strengthens, reduces frizz, softens, cuts down drying time. Not lots of problem for me anymore. Same thing, I want to just make sure that's all throughout my hair. Now I'm going to blow dry, and then I might put in a little bit of volumizing powder or a paste. So I haven't tried this yet, but I did pick this up at TJ Maxx for $7. It's the R&Co Mannequin Styling Paste, and I quickly looked up reviews online while I was in the store, and people really loved it. So I was like, hell, this is a very expensive product for $7. I'm gonna give it a go. Okay, I have my T3, what is this called? It might be called the Micro? I don't know, it's the T3 hair dryer, but it's like the mini version. It's still super, super powerful. And it has like a low and a high setting, and then, you know, 3 temperature settings, and then a cool shot right here, which is nice. I'm just gonna use this nanothermic ceramic ion round brush by Olivia Garden. I really love this. I've never used one with these style bristles because I never thought it would do anything for my hair. Like, I just thought it was for coarser hair. Lord, how I was wrong. I love this. I think it's like the most smoothing brush I've used on my hair. So I just kind of dry it quite roughly side to side. And I turn this little nozzle here depending on how I want to direct or over direct hair. So once I have it dry and it's to this point, it's like a little too, I don't want to say momish, but it's a little more polished than I like, I guess is a good way to say it. I have quite a cowlick here and I'm trying to train hair to like work on a deeper part right now. And so for the first little bit after I've dried it, it's not my favorite. As I spray like texture stuff in it and whatnot, it gets better with time, as you'll see in later footage in this video. Do you see how much volume I have? I don't even have, like, I haven't even put anything in it except for this to give it volume. And like I said, it wasn't even that much. That's like a very quick non-tutorial because like I said, I'm still learning what I like, and I also like it like all kind of pushed back and like slicked on the sides. I think that looks really good. So yeah, I'm just having fun with it. I'm gonna throw on a little can of tonic from Milk. And voila! I feel like my whole getting ready routine is just so much faster now. I know why you're here. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh. That's it. Gotta watch your figure. I typically have been just renting books from the library, specifically for my Kindle, so I've been using the Libby app a lot. I love that. It's wonderful, it's very convenient, and I can find a lot of titles on there that I've been wanting to read. But sometimes I just love to go into a bookstore. My favorites that I go to regularly are Greedy Reads and the Ivy Bookshop. And yesterday I popped into Greedy Reads and I got 4 books, so I just thought I would show you what I picked up. Not all of these are good for the beach, but they were things that I've been wanting to read, so I snagged them. This one has been on my want to read list for months, and it's called Night Bitch. And no, I didn't pick it just because of the name, but it is, I mean, this is a captivating cover, that's for sure. It's by Rachel Yoder, and I'm pretty sure this is about a mom who feels like she's turning into a dog. Let me just make sure. Yep, 100%. Smart and voracious debut, an artist turned stay-at-home mom becomes convinced that she's turning into a dog. I'm really excited about this. It says it's an outrageously original novel of ideas about art, power, and womanhood wrapped in a satirical fairy tale. Night Bitch will make you want to howl in laughter and recognition, and you should. You should howl as much as you want. So I do think I might take this on vacation because I just am so excited about it. Then another book that I picked up that's been on my want to read list is Survive the Night by Riley Sager. He is a thriller author, and I think I've read everything, if not everything, nearly everything that he's written, and I like them. They're really fast reads. They usually have a lot of really, good suspense. I'll leave links to everything below. You can go read the synopsis if you want or not, but I'll probably save this one for like a good chilly rainy day, or like maybe when the weather finally starts to turn to fall. Yes, I'm already thinking of fall. And then I got 2 books that were recommended by a gal, Emily at Greedy Reads. She follows us on Instagram, and she's always been really helpful every time I go in there and I'm like, this is what I'm looking for, and she's usually spot on. So this time I told her I want some thrillers and I don't care how like sadistic they are. Bring it on. So she had just finished reading A Touch of Jen by Beth Morgan, and she said it was really good. She loved it. And then the last one that she recommended is The Turnout by Megan Abbott, and I've never read anything by her. She said this is also a thriller. I'll probably just take one of those on my vacation because I want to pack light, so I'll probably pack my Kindle, and I need to load that up with some good books. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see everything on the bed, but here we have packing cubes. We use packing cubes because it helps us keep our stuff separate from one another, and it's also just a really great way to compartmentalize your items. Another tip that I have is if you are traveling to like a hotel or an Airbnb and you have a dresser or a wardrobe you can put stuff in, things that I don't need to hang up, I'll just slide these packing cubes into the drawer, open it up, and then I can dig through there, and I don't have to like take everything out of the packing cube and put it into a dresser. It's just there, and it makes it really easy. At the end of a trip, I will usually take the biggest one and put all my dirties in it. I just thought I would show you how I kind of separate things. This is my smallest packing cube. I got these off of Amazon in a set of 4. I've had them for probably 6 years by now, and they're amazing. They've held up wonderfully, and I just checked and they still have this exact brand and style on there. The zippers are really nice and easy to glide. Nothing really ever gets caught. They do have mesh on the top so that if you do have like a damp or a smelly fabric, you can kind of breathe and not get all disgusting. This is the one that I've put like my undergarments in. So I have bras, I've got some socks in here and some underwear as well. This is the second smallest, and typically I wouldn't use it for what I have in here now, but we're going to the beach and we'll be gone for 10 days. So I have 5 different swimsuits in here, and I still have a little bit of room. So I might throw in a couple bandanas or hair tie wraps. Some of my bathing suits are brand new and they're really cute, and I think they're still online. So I'm gonna try them on and try to insert some footage somewhere within this packing portion so you can see them. I'm finally trying a somersault bathing suit, and I also have a great one from Amazon and a great one from Macy's. So something kind of for everyone. And I know how daunting shopping for bathing suits is, and it's like if you can just take someone's word for it that it's good quality and nice fit, I feel like that goes a long way. This is the 3rd one as far as size, and everything has a handle, which is really nice. And like I said, it's a full zip situation. This is where all of my shorts and pajamas are, and like yoga pants and whatever. They all fit in here very nicely. I've got my jean shorts in here, so nicer things, and then things like what I'm wearing now, which is an athletic short. And then the biggest one for me today is shirts, dresses, and sweatshirts. I usually have a harder time when it comes to packing toiletries because, you know, I love skincare and body care, and I know I can't bring it all, but I want to bring as much as I can. So I have a couple tips when it comes to this. Buy glass jars that are reusable. I know that those silicone squeezy tubes look really attractive, and they can be great. They are really difficult to clean out, especially if you put something in it like lotion or conditioner. Even like saving your old moisturizer jars or something like that, or eye cream jars, just save those things. In this instance, this is my Pi Rosehip cleansing oil, so I just decant my cleansing oil into a dropper style bottle. Another tip I have would be if you are a member of Ulta or Sephora Rewards, using your points for travel size items is a really great idea. So I tend to do that, and when I can't do that, I decant. Let me just show you the things that I am bringing. So I have this little Scout bag. It's perfect for toiletries because it's one big pocket on the inside, and I can effectively see everything that's in there. Little shampoo and conditioner. This is a Biolage Hydro Source shampoo, and then I have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Conditioning Mask. I'm gonna need to treat it like a regular conditioner. I will be in salt water and chlorine, and so I know that's really hard on my hair, and I think having some extra conditioning treatments might not be a very bad idea. Other hair products that I'm going to bring are a mini dry shampoo. This is the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo. This was my birthday gift from Ulta. And then I have my Virtue 6-in-1 Styler Cream. This is a nice travel size. I think it's, 2 ounces. Then, as far as skincare, cleansing oil, that's if I'm wearing makeup or sunscreen to help get my first cleanse going. And then for my second cleanse, I do have a little baby Checks and Balances by Origins. How cute is this? Adorable. I'm taking my Josh Rosebrook Daily Acid Toner. I like this for traveling because it is quite small, all things considered, and it has a really nice secure lid, so I know that it won't leak. I'm also bringing a serum. This is the Pharmacy Filling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. It's really hard to tell. I think I'm like 3/4 of the way through this. I've been using it morning and night lately. I was using it for a while, and then I switched to some other serums, and I'm back on this because I really do love it. Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream as my moisturizer. That is full size, but it's quite small. I have my shaving gear, so I've got a little mini travel size EOS shave cream, and then my razor. I did put a fresh blade on there. I have a mini, a mini deodorant. Oh God, that like blasted me in the face. Oh, what time is it? I have a wax. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Where's my phone? Where are you? 12:20. Oh fuck, I gotta go. Okay, I gotta make this quick. Then I also have an eye cream. This is the Clarins Total Eye Lift. Loving it lately. My Sarah Happ lip balm. I have got tweezers, a little thing of Q-tips, and then 2 mini Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum creams, and actually sorry, 1 mini Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream, 1 mini Coco Cabana cream, also by Sol de Janeiro. And I'll also be taking like an after sun product. So that's what's in my toiletry bag, and it all fits in here, which I know it may not seem that way, but it does, I swear. I'm shoving all this back in here, and I'm on my way to get my bikini wax. So I will see you in a little bit. I mean, I'm not gonna bring you with me, but in case you did wanna know what it looks like to get a bikini wax, we have a video on it, because of course we do, why wouldn't we? And the video was filmed probably 4 years ago, and I'm still seeing the same gal. I've seen her forever. I think we're working on like year 6 or 7 in our relationship, which is really lovely. So I'm gonna go do that, and I will catch you later. I wanted to mention the jewelry that I've been wearing recently, specifically this moonstone dangle earring, my matching moonstone necklace, and then my signet ring. You may or may not know that Caitlin and I are working with Ana Luisa Jewelry for a more long-term sponsorship. This video is not sponsored, but I did want to call out some of the things that I've just been wearing nonstop because I'm really not taking them off. Ever since I got this moonstone necklace and the earrings, it's pretty much all I've been wearing. And then this Michelle signet ring is, it's like a flat signet ring, and it has malachite in the middle, which I love. I've just been leaving everything on. I've been showering in it. The only thing that is showing anywhere for me is the ring, and that's because, like I said, I am showering with it. I'm quite hard on my hands. I really just don't ever take it off, so keep that in mind. We do have a link that you can use to shop with them. I think they're doing a summer sale right now, so if you want to take advantage of that and you use our link, we would really appreciate it. Again, this part's not sponsored. This stuff is gifted, but we're not working with them in this video. I just wanted to address any of this in case you were interested. Okay, we are mostly packed up. I am getting ready to go to a friend's house for dinner. Caitlin's going to be there, and it'll be the last time I see her for a little over a week, which is kind of a long time for us to go without seeing each other. My dress is actually from TJ Maxx. I got it the other day. The brand is One State. I haven't been able to find it online, so you might be able to snag it in a TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I hope you all have a great week. Caitlin and I are gonna try to figure out a way to go live together on YouTube, so be on the lookout for some notifications for that so that we're not missing out on new videos while I'm away. And I think that's everything. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!